Many times with investing, it's the little things that can really add up, not just the big ones. And that's why on today's Money Monday, we're looking at those little things. So Leon Lebrecht joins us today, managing partner and CEO of LJPR Financial Advisors. And Troy's here this morning to break down these numbers that kind of involve our vices.
Exactly. Yeah. Put your money where your mouth is.
Right.
Right.
Yeah.
So I brought some vices.
Yeah.
So I was driving from up north, and I stopped at a convenience store, and I'm watching people pay $5 for gas, which isn't much gas, and they're buying iced Starbucks coffee for for $5. And I went, I wonder what would happen if you bought Starbucks stock instead of Starbucks coffee, or what would happen if you bought stock in Coors, or what would happen if you bought stock in Papa Romano's, or what would happen if you bought a cigarettes instead of buying a pack of cigarettes, buy the cigarette company.
Yeah.
Interesting outcome.
Right.
Really interesting outcome, Derek. So
you're breaking it down, $20 a week.
Right.
For all of this stuff. $20 a week for coffee.
Right.
Seems normal, seems regular.
And it's just, I'm not saying give it up. I'm just saying take $20 that you would have spent on coffee. So take our coffee. I got a cup of coffee, $4 at Starbucks. I don't have caffeine, don't eat it. And I put skim milk in it, don't eat it. so we're sitting here saying if I took $4 less and bought $20 a week worth of Starbucks stock, guess how much I'd have?
I have no idea.
$207,000 over 20 years. $207,000 or brown water. Figure it out.
So this is a case of one of those things where you take a little bit over time and it's really going to add up. $20 a week for 20 years, $200,000.
Yeah.
What about for the beer?
Oh, beer, and I like beer. Don't get me wrong. And I like pizza too.
We all do.
Yeah. So, but if I took my Coors and I had one last course, and it was basically came out to $20 a week again.
Yes.
$81,000.
81 grand?
Yeah, 20 years. And then one of the best ones, cheap cigarettes.
Yeah.
I didn't even do the good ones. I didn't even do Marlboros.
Yeah, I mean, and cigarettes range from what? I don't even know, $4 to $10, depending on what state you're in?
Yeah, so take $4 a pack, $5 a pack, $20 a week of cigarettes, $208,000.
Wow.
Panera Bagels, $300,000.
Wow. Okay, so really what we're learning here is a little bit can add up over time, but there's going to be someone out there that says, I can't give up $20 a week. That turns out to be $80 a month. I need every dollar I have.
Right.
What do you say to someone like that?
Every little bit counts. Yeah. So here, if I take all my 5 things, all right, so I've got pizza, I've got Panera Bagel, I got Starbucks, Coors, and cigs, okay? $100 a week in all of them, you'd have $900,000. You'd have made 18.5% over 20 years. That's just 20 years, Derek.
Yeah.
That's not even a very long period of time. But, so you can't do $20. If you did 2, you get 90 grand.
Right, so that was going to be my follow-up question is what if somebody says, I can't do $20 a week, I can only do $20 a month.
Right.
Is it even worth it?
It is, because most of us have 401k plans, and most 401k plans have matches, and that's free money. Free. Absolutely free money. So the key thing is, do something. Small, good choices add up.
When do you start?
Right now. Yesterday.
Okay. What if you're already 50 years old and you say it's too late for me?
It's not. It's not too, unless you're going to die tomorrow, then get a lot of it. So, if you're going to do that, then these are really good advices. So,
right. Exactly.
So there's 2 interesting takeaways from this. Number 1 is I took items that aren't essential to our life, but are rewards. I like Starbucks. I'm not bashing Starbucks. I like beer. I like bagels. I don't like cigarettes, but that's a different story. I love pizza. But what I think we all have to understand is some of the things we like we should like ourselves. Let's pay ourselves first. So look in the mirror and say, all right, Starbucks deserves to make some money, but Starbucks can make me some money.
Right.
Here's the cool thing. $20 in Starbucks stock, you'd have $200,000. You could buy your own coffee shop.
Yeah, it's unbelievable. So it's what he told me at the very beginning. Take the money out of your mouth and put it in your investments for yourself down the future.
Put your money where your mouth is.
There it is. All right, we're going to put all these tips on our website, fox2detroit.com. Leon, thanks so much for being here.
Hey,
those vices, some of those are fun.
Oh, let's have a beer.
Okay.
All right.
All right, guys. Hey, back over to you.
Cheers.